Let him who is without a sin be the first to cast a stone. We are just about to go into a general election, and the trend in Kenya has been that anytime we are about to elect leaders, anytime somebody declares their interest to run for leadership, what we do is go and try and uncover any bad thing we know about their past. You will have noticed that when the one candidate says William Ruto chooses his running mate, you have something to say about that. Raila Odinga chooses his running mate, you have something to say about that. Ruben Kigame says he's running for president and you're like, no, you stay and sing, and you have something to say about that. We have something to say about the first president, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. It's not good at all. Here is the thing. People make mistakes. People change. People lie and people do, and you are a person, so all of these things are true about you as well. But in the story in John chapter 8 from verse 7, Jesus said to the people who had caught a woman in the very act of adultery, that let him who is without sin be the first to cast a stone. And they all went away, from the oldest to the youngest. My prayer for this nation and for you and for myself today is that anytime I want to cast a stone and to cast aspersions, I will remember that I too am a sinner. And then instead of casting stones, I will walk away like they did in that scripture. But I will also commit the nation of Kenya to the Lord, because blessed is the nation whose God is the Lord. Ni hayo tu.